Hello viewers, today I'll show you a delicious rustic recipe called Pahadi Trout, which is made in the mountainous Himalayan regions of India. The recipe uses trout fish which is found abundantly in these hilly regions. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 whole trout fish that have been scaled and gutted. You can see that I have removed the guts and gills from the fish and given them a good clean. I'll also be using 1 diced medium red onion and a bunch of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons each crushed coriander seeds, dry chili flakes, dry dill leaves, and 1 teaspoon of lime rind, 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, the juice of 2 limes. Let's put some cuts on the fish on both sides. Use some kitchen towels to wipe off any excess moisture both outside and inside the fish. Now we need to season the fish with salt both outside and inside the fish. Then sprinkle the crushed coriander seeds, the chili flakes, the dry dill leaves, and the lime rind over the fish, followed by a little bit of the lime juice. Add a bit of mustard oil and massage it well into the fish. We need to do the same thing on the other side so that the trout fish is well marinated. Now set the fish aside to marinate for half an hour. Heat some mustard oil in a baking tray and put the fish down and let it sizzle for a bit to get a crispy skin on the bottom. And then put it under a hot grill for 10 to 15 minutes. And then take it out. As you can see, the fish is nicely grilled. Let's make the sauce now by heating some mustard oil in a pot. Then add the mustard seeds to it and let them sizzle a bit. Then add the diced red onions into the oil. Give them a stir and brown them nicely. This will take a couple of minutes. Add salt according to your taste. Then add the chopped coriander leaves into the pot and mix everything well. Then add the juice of 1 lime and give it a stir. And the sauce is ready. Spoon the sauce over the grilled fish and a delicious Pahadi trout is ready to be served. Plate it up with some salad and give yourself a taste of the Himalayan cuisine of India. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!